We got to get him out of here quick, fast, and in a hurry, man.
We're going to see some vintage tin coming out behind you. Don't know what that means for you. Doesn't mean Eli Manning. Doesn't mean Chad Kelly. Doesn't mean freshman year John Rice Bowman.
Make sure your greatness, the best you, has no condition. It don't matter who you play. It don't matter how many snaps you play. How many people understand unconditional greatness?
Got a beautiful 11 a.m. kickoff. And Vaught hitting like stadium. I mean, it doesn't get much better.
Now we'll find the end zone today. Mark those words, write it down.
Bro, do your job. Do your job every single play, and the rest will take care of itself.
Real talk! Real talk!
How's that for a fast start, huh? Hey!
How he dive, that dive is a problem. Because he didn't reach the ball. Let's go, Sam! All day, 13-2. Hey, best duo in the SEC, baby. Prom time! Prom time! Oh, that's big! That's big! Big! He killed him! Got him, he dead! I'm coming in! Okay, let's lock in the boy! He from the 6!
Focus in right here on the small details, and let's go get a touchdown this time.
That's my roommate. Roommate!
Man, it's always great when the Rebels get the dub. You know, like Miles always said, send them home sad.
I told you, man. I told you. What did I tell you? I told you can take that to the altar. And if you took it to the altar, you got a blessing.
You know what it is? Send them home sad again.